welcome to Draw with Bunny. Today we are going to draw a very cute flower. So let's get started. We'll start with the circle, the center of a beautiful flower. Your drawing does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be unique. Around the circle, let's add some pretty petals. Petals are like big colorful smiles, don't you think? We are making some heart-shaped petals. Our flower is starting to bloom. Yes, you got this. Yay! Our petals are almost complete. Now, let's give our flower a stem. It holds up the flower so proudly. Yay! It's done! Now, let's make its cute face. We are starting with the eyes. And now, the mouth. Now let's make the cutest eyes. You just have to draw 2 small circles in each eye. Now fill the eyes. Our flower looks so beautiful and so cheerful. Now let's add a leaf. Let's add another one. It would be super exciting to paint this flower. Now it's time to paint. Purple for the petals. It looks like a cute magical flower from a fairy tale, don't you think? This purple looks so beautiful. It looks like a happy little flower, full of life and joy. Remember, every flower is unique, just like you. Don't you love how this looks? Yellow. for the stem. It's almost ready. Our magical flower is almost ready. Ta-da! Bye-bye! If you like this video, subscribe for weekly videos.